3 closer to 6.30, 10 to the power 6. What is S value? S2 value will be closer to this 6.3 10 to the power minus 6 mole per liter की power 3. Okay, S2 value. Okay, the S1 value is 7.07 10 to the power minus 7. S2 is 6.3 10 to the power minus 6. Okay, it's auto solving. Okay, now third is given Hg2Cl2, Hg2Cl2. Okay, how to break HgCl2? Hg2 plus 2 plus charge plus 2Cl negative. So again solubility will be S, its solubility will be 2S. Coefficient raised to its power, that's why 4S cube. Remember how to break Hg2Cl2? Hg2Cl2 break down to, remember this point Hg2 plus 2 charge. Okay, what is coefficient here? 1, that's why power here 1. So now it is Ksp ki power 3 is equal to Ksp. Its solubility is S3. Its solubility will be S3 here. So now put here value S3. S is equal to Ksp divided by 4 ki power 1 by 3 again here. Okay. Now remember how to break down Hg2Cl2. Hg2 plus 2 plus 2 Cl negative. Remember this point. Remember this point. Okay. Remember this. Now it is 1.3 10 to the power minus 18 divided by 4. Its power will be 1 by 3. Its power will be 1 by 3 here. Okay. So now it's again we convert to 0.13. It convert to 3 digit. Okay, 1300. Now how much digit? 1 2 3. So now the value will be 21 by 4. Its power will be 1 by 3. Its power will be 1 by 3. Now 10 to the power 7 here. What is power? 7. How much time divided? 4 and 1300 divided by 4 ki power 1 by 3 here. Okay. So after solving we found 6.87 10 to the power minus 7 closer to this. Okay. What is solubility order mole per liter ki power whole 3. So what is S1 value? S1, S2, S3. 7.07 10 to the power minus 7 here. 6.3 10 to the power minus 6 here. Okay. 10 to the power minus 6 here. This 6.87. What is here? 6.87 10 to the power minus 7, which is solubility. S2 value is higher than S1, then it will be S3. So check here. S2 is higher. Zinc hydroxide is higher, then will be silver bromide and HgCl2. That's why third option is correct. That's why third option is correct. More value, minus 6 power is more value. Then 6.70, 6.7, that's why S3. So S2, then will be S3, then will be S1. S1 will be less, S1 will be less. Okay. Understood everyone? So now 6.87 is higher value or 7.070. 7.70 is higher value. Okay. 7.70 is higher value. Remember. So now S2 is higher than S1 then S3. That's why third option is correct. Silver bromide is list. HgCl2, zinc chloride, zinc hydroxide, then silver bromide, then Hg2Cl2 list. That's why third option. Option third is correct. Answer third will be correct. Everyone know calculation of solubility. We can calculate solubility also. Okay. Now question number 87. Okay. Consider the following reaction sequence. Choose the correct option here. Okay. Now here is given question number 87. What is given here? Question number 87. What is given here? pH. Here is given C triple bond C here. It is given methyl. What is given here? Methyl is given here. Okay. Now react with hydrogen, palladium, palladium plus carbon is given here. Okay, Lindlar ketal is given K product. Okay, K react with HBr. Okay, that formation of M product. That formation of M product. Okay, sodium liquid ammonia. It is given reaction with sodium liquid ammonia. Sodium liquid ammonia. Okay, what is product is form L product. Okay, now HBr peroxide, benzoyl peroxide. Peroxide is given per acid. That's why anti-Marconi rule follow. Everyone know? Remember, hydrogen, palladium, Lindlar catalyst. It forms cis alkane. It forms cis alkane. So what is K here? Cis alkane. So now write here cis alkane. Cis, that means C double bond C. Methyl is here. Okay, this hydrogen here. It is hydrogen. Okay, different group opposite side. Now here pH, what is here pH? It is given hydrogen here. Okay, so diagonally same cis form, it is cis form. HBr, electrophilic addition, electrophilic addition reaction. What is mechanism of electrophilic addition reaction? That's why Marconi rule. It follow Br Marconi rule. So now it is formation of C, here is hydrogen, here CS3, it is Br attached. What is attached here? Br. What is here? Hydrogen, it is phenyl. Okay, Marconi upside, Br attached, Marconi upside, Marconi upside attached, Lm product here. Okay, now here trans alkene is formed. Sodium liquid beach reduction. Do you know beach reduction? Trans alkene is formed. That's why here C double bond C, here CS3, here pH, here hydrogen, trans. Okay, so now here trans alkene. Hydrogen peroxide anti-Marconi rule. That's why corner side. Okay, so now here corner side Br attached. Now here corner side. Okay, now here Cc, it is CS3, it is hydrogen here. Okay, now here pH, now here hydrogen, Br attached here. What is here? Br, anti-Marconi rule. Now identify the option is correct. K and L are enantiomers. K and L, geometrical isomers, not enantiomers. Okay, wrong. First statement is wrong because it is not enantiomers, geometrical isomers. Okay, M and L are geometrical isomers, not geometrical isomers because it is Marconi addition. It is anti-Marconi. Position are different. That's why here second option is wrong. Not geometrical. Both are not geometrical. In geometrical isomer, position of atom should be same. What is position here? Br Marconi upside. Here Br anti-Marconi. That's not geometrical isomers. Second option is wrong. M and N are stereoisomers. M and N, not stereoisomers. Stereoisomers, position of atom should be same. Here position different. That's why not stereoisomers also. It is position isomers. Okay. N are geometrical isomers. K, L, M, N. Both are geometrical. Cis form. K is cis alkene and L is trans alkene. That's why geometrical. That's why option 4th is correct. That's why 87 question number 4th is correct. K, L, N, cis, trans and cis are geometrical isomers. Remember stereoisomers, position of atom should be same. Geometrical isomers, position of atom should be same. Here is position different. Here is my anti-Marconi upside, here is Marconi upside. That's why not geometrical isomers, not stereoisomers. Remember this point, train your brain. Remember this point, both are not geometrical isomers, not stereoisomers. Position of atom are different. That's why not geometrical, not stereoisomers. So remember this point, okay? Now question number 88. The amount of carbon dioxide evolved when complete combustion of 116 gram of normal butane. Okay, so right here normal butane C4H10 react to the O2 to formation of CO2 plus H2, CO2 plus H2 here. How much carbon here? 4. That's why 4 carbon is how much hydrogen here? 5. That's why 5 hydrogen here. Okay. How much oxygen here? 4 carbon, 10 hydrogen. 5 plus 8, 18. That's why 5 plus 8, 17. 5 oxygen plus 8. So now 13 by 2. 13 by 2 oxygen atom here. So now 1 mole. 1 mole produces 4 mole of CO2. 4 mole of CO2. Okay. So first calculate mole. Step first calculate number of moles here. How much amount is given? 116. What is molar mass? 58. So how many mole? 2 mole here. So 2 mole of butane produces how many mole? 1 mole produces 4 mole. So 2 mole produces 8 mole. So how many mole of CO2? 8 mole of CO2 produces. What is mole is equal to given weight by molar mass. What is number of moles? 8. We have to find out amount. What is molar mass? 44. What is how much amount of CO2 produces? 44 multiplied by 8 here. Okay. How much? 352 gram. How much produce? 352 gram amount will be produced. The answer will be 352 gram. The answer will be 4. Answer will be 4th option is correct. Multiply 44 multiply by 8. 352 gram. Okay, 352 gram amount will be produced. That's why answer will be 352 gram. Remember this concept. Okay. Next question is given significant figure. Okay. What is given significant figure here? It is given 17.0145. Okay. So we have to rounding off up to 3 digit. Okay. Rounding to 3 figure after decimal point. After decimal point 3 digit. So what is round up 3 digit? This is rounding off up to 3 digit. Okay. So next digit. We have to find out rounding up to 3 digit after decimal point. Okay, so next digit round up. Okay, so rounding up to next digit. Now this is greater than this 5 value. Exit 5, it is even number. Even number, no change. Even number, no change. Even number present, that's why no change here. That's why answer will be 17.014. Okay. Now second, after decimal place, rounding up to 0.235 here. Okay, rounding up to 3 digit. Okay, this odd number plus 1 added. Okay, so plus 1 added before added here. So now it is 4. So answer will be 21.24. Which option is correct? 17.014 and 21.024. Okay, and now here second option is correct. The answer second is correct. What is the answer here? Second. The answer second. Everyone know if after rounding up digit is exit 5. Even number no change. Odd number plus 1 is added before decimal place. Okay. Remember here 3 becomes to 4. That's why here 21.024. Here no change. Even number. Exit 5 value. Last is exit 5 value. So before even number no change. Odd number plus 1 added. Everyone know. Okay. So remember this concept. Now question number 89. Yeah. Potash alum, the ratio of potassium sulfate ions. What is potash alum? What is potash alum? Okay, question number 90. What is potash alum? Everyone know potash alum. K2SO4, Al2SO4 whole thrice dot 24S2 dot 24S2 here. Okay. So now check here. How many potassium ions here? 2 potassium ions here. What is sulfate ions? 1 sulfate ions from here and 3 sulfate ions from here. 3 sulfate ions from here. Okay. Now total sulfate ions 4. So 2 potassium ions and 4 sulfate ions. Okay, 4 sulfate ions. So what will be the ratio? Ratio will be 1/2 ratio. 1/2 ratio. 1 ratio potassium and 2 ratio sulfate ions. Okay, the ratio will be 1/2 ratio. So now fourth option is correct. What is option? Fourth. That's why answer is fourth. So 4 option is correct. Okay. So now level of paper is very moderate level. So now I think according to me score will be more than cutoff will be more than 150 or 150 at least. Okay. Okay, thanks to all of you.